Let me start off by saying there is no printable pattern for this bag. I'm giving you the measurements on screen here. You'll be able to use those to create a bag the same size that I'm creating here. All right, I do apologize for the hazy. There was something on my camera, I guess. I don't recommend using the interfacing that I used on this part of the strap. It just is too thick. Use a thin, lightweight interfacing if you want to use interfacing. It just is going to work out better. My straps were really stiff and I didn't like them in the end, but they still turned out pretty. Links to tools and hardware that I'm using in this video can be found in the description box below. The sewing machine I'm using in this video is a Viking Husqvarna #1 sewing machine. I think it was manufactured in the early 90s. A YouTube viewer from my other channel gifted me this about 15 years ago, and it is an absolute beast. Even when I thought it was going to fail me, it ended up just kicking back in and working again, and it'll sew the thickest of materials with ease. So I absolutely love using my Viking to make bags. So again, you are going to need 4 of the pieces for the bottom part of the strap. So I'm just cutting these in half. It worked out. You can't lengthen something, but you can shorten it. So a little extra never hurts. And it, like I said, it did work out in the end here. And if you like this fabric, I'm not sure if it's still in print, but I bought it, I want to say, at either Joann's or Hobby Lobby, probably about 14 years ago. So not sure if it's still in print, but the fabric that I'm using for the lining was the coordinating fabric that went with this. And I'm cuckoo for owls. So it was a cute little owl fabric that I wanted and I hoarded away about a. And this is where you can see that my top parts of the straps are just really too thick. They pull and pinch at everything. So just don't use that thick interfacing if you're going to do this bag. Otherwise, it would be absolutely adorable. It's just the straps are super stiff. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to get more awesome. Hit that like and share button. It helps me get there. I'm going for a 500 subscriber goal by the end of February, and I'm about halfway there now. So, yeah. And there you have it, our cute little owl tote bag. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Like I said, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Peace, y'all. Bye-bye.